They say the world runs on truth. But what if it's built on lies? From money to power, history to media, hidden agendas shape our reality. It's time to expose the deception, question the narratives, and see the world as it really is. Now get back to the topic: lies that shape our world.
How vegans disrupt the carbon cycle and cause global warming. All vegans claim that just by becoming vegan they are doing good for the environment. But things are more complicated than that. It's not so rosy if everyone becomes vegan. The carbon cycle, a natural process that has sustained life on Earth for millions of years. But did you know that our agricultural practices, especially repeated planting and uprooting of crops like wheat, are disrupting this delicate balance? Let's explore how this happens and why it matters. The carbon cycle is nature's way of recycling carbon. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during photosynthesis and store it as organic matter. This carbon is then either returned to the atmosphere when plants decompose or locked away in the soil, sometimes for thousands of years, or eaten by other animals. Then they produce manure and it comes back to soil. But soil is more than just dirt. It's a vital carbon sink, especially in its deeper anaerobic layers, where oxygen is limited. Here, organic matter breaks down very slowly, effectively trapping carbon. However, repeated planting and uprooting of crops like wheat disrupt this natural storage. When soil is tilled, these anaerobic layers are exposed to oxygen. This speeds up the decomposition of organic matter, releasing carbon dioxide and methane, a greenhouse gas over 25 times more potent than CO2. Methane is primarily released by microorganisms in the disturbed soil. These microbes thrive in the anaerobic zones, but when exposed to air, rapidly process organic material, releasing harmful gases into the atmosphere. Also, the pesticides, especially any fungal pesticides, kill beneficial mycelium. Mycelium has many functions. One of them is decomposition. Its methane production is less in the anaerobic layers if we compare it with bacteria's methane production in anaerobic layers, reducing the amount of methane production. In farming, we have to use heavy machinery, right? It is adding new carbon into the atmosphere which was not there before. So it is carbon positive and it increases global warming. What is the cumulative effect? More greenhouse gases in our atmosphere, contributing to climate change. So, what can be done? Sustainable agricultural practices can make a big difference. Stop consuming crops that require tillage. Agroforestry and soilless farming methods help maintain soil structure and keep carbon stored where it belongs, in the ground. Soil is a carbon sponge. Every time we dig in the soil for farming, we open a Pandora's box of methane. By reducing disturbances, we not only protect soil health, but also ensure the carbon cycle continues to work in harmony with nature. Are vegans misinformed by the companies that benefit from it? Is going vegan good for the environment? Comment down below. Let's have a discussion. One last thing. Do you know methane produced by humans is more if you are vegan? Ask any vegan how much food waste they have to throw away. If it is not decomposed properly, it will produce methane, CO2, and other gases. And it is even gross if we talk about farting, which is more in vegans. In the next topic, we will see how animal agriculture is better for the environment than plant agriculture, how it is carbon negative, and how we can make it better. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the lies that shape our world.